Welcome back to All Things Electronics, where we explore the latest and most exciting tech that can change your daily life. Today, we are diving deep into e-bike conversion kits, devices that can completely transform your bike from a simple pedal machine to an electrifying ride. Imagine effortlessly gliding up hills, commuting without breaking a sweat, or exploring trails like a pro. But picking the right kit is crucial, because the wrong choice can leave you frustrated, overcharged, or stranded. Let's explore some of the best USA and UK kits and see which one might be perfect for your bike. Starting in the USA, the eBike Kit 48V1000W Front Hub Motor Kit is designed for commuters and casual riders who want a reliable upgrade without complications. The 48V1000W brushless front hub motor gives smooth acceleration while keeping installation simple. This kit includes a 36V or 48V lithium battery, offering flexibility depending on how far and fast you want to ride. With the LCD display, you can monitor your speed, battery, and assistance level in real time, while the throttle and pedal assist give you options for effortless riding. Its hub motor setup is lightweight and compatible with most standard bike frames, making it a great choice for city streets. The ease of installation and simple controls make it ideal for beginners, though riders tackling steep hills may notice some strain. The eBike 48V1000W front hub motor kit shares many similarities with eBike kit, but is aimed at budget-conscious riders who still want performance. The geared front hub motor balances speed and torque, while the 36V or 48V lithium battery ensures a reasonable range. With both throttle and pedal assist, this kit gives flexibility for urban commuting or weekend rides. It's compatible with a wide range of standard wheels and frames, and installation is straightforward. While not designed for extreme off-road or heavy-load situations, it provides excellent reliability for casual city riding, making it a strong contender for anyone who wants an affordable yet dependable conversion. For those seeking performance and off-road capability, the Motor Photon Gen 2 mid-drive kit is a serious upgrade. Unlike hub motors, the mid-drive motor sits near the crank, offering better weight distribution, higher torque, and superior hill climbing ability. Its high-powered design can handle rough terrain, steep hills, and heavy loads without strain. The battery is customizable, allowing you to match your power needs and riding style. Features like the triple-strength sprag clutch and tool-free maintenance make this kit durable and easier to maintain than many high-power setups. The installation is more involved than hub motors, but for serious off-road riders, the extra effort pays off with incredible performance and control. The Rottan Reebok 48V500W mid-drive motor kit offers a balance of power and usability, ideal for mountain bikes and beach cruisers. The 48V mid-drive motor delivers sufficient torque for hills and mixed terrain, while the included 48V lithium battery provides reliable range. Pedal assist ensures a natural riding experience, and the throttle gives a boost when needed. The LCD display, controller, and brake levers make it easy to monitor and control your ride. This kit is compatible with many bike frames and wheel sizes, making it versatile. Installation is moderate in complexity, so riders should expect to spend some time adjusting the components, but the payoff is smooth, reliable riding that feels effortless. For riders seeking brand reliability and global support, the eBike Essentials Bafang mid-drive kit is a premium choice. Bafang motors are known for durability, smooth torque delivery, and wide compatibility with batteries. This kit allows riders to select the battery that best fits their commuting distance or off-road adventure. Pedal assist is precise, providing a natural pedaling feel, while the throttle offers instant acceleration when needed. Installation requires some mechanical skill, but the quality of components and global support make it worth the investment. Cyclists can ride confidently knowing they have a dependable system backed by a recognized brand. Heading over to the UK, the eBike Power UK 1000W rear wheel kit is perfect for road and hybrid bikes. Rear hub motors are simple to install and maintain, and the 48V13Ah battery provides substantial range. Both pedal assist and throttle are available, giving riders the freedom to adjust their effort and energy usage. The kit includes an LCD display to monitor speed, battery, and assistance levels. Compatible with most standard bike frames and wheel sizes, this kit is ideal for everyday commuting, casual rides, or longer trips along smooth roads. For heavier riders or steep climbs, you might wish for more power, but for most UK roads, it's more than sufficient. The Cyclotricity 36V250W front hub motor kit targets city commuters and casual riders looking for a lightweight, simple upgrade. Its 36V front hub motor provides gentle assistance for flat streets, while the pedal assist and throttle allow flexibility. The battery is easy to charge and remove, making short trips convenient. Installation is very beginner-friendly, and the kit is compatible with most standard frames. While it won't make hills feel effortless, it is perfect for short daily commutes and leisurely rides. For more adventurous riders, the Curbike 1500W 2000W rear wheel kit offers serious power for mountain and off-road bikes. The rear hub motor paired with a 52V20Ah battery delivers tremendous torque and range. Pedal assist feels strong and responsive, while the throttle lets you tackle rough trails or steep inclines with ease. Installation is moderately complex due to the motor size and battery weight, but the performance is worth it. This kit is a thrill-seeker's dream, capable of transforming even an average bike into a rugged, high-powered off-road machine. The eBike Solution Bafang BBS02B48V750W mid-drive kit combines brand reliability with mid-drive efficiency. With 48V battery power and pedal assist, it provides smooth acceleration and excellent hill climbing ability. Installation requires some technical skill, but once in place, the kit offers seamless integration with your bike. It's compatible with multiple bike frames, and the LCD display makes monitoring effortless. For riders who value trusted components and global support, this kit offers a solid balance of performance, range, and durability. Finally, the eSoulBike electric bike conversion kit offers maximum versatility. It provides multiple motor and battery options, allowing riders to tailor the kit to their style, whether it's casual commuting, mountain biking, or trail adventures. Pedal assist and throttle give complete control, while the included display and controls ensure an intuitive experience. Installation complexity depends on the selected configuration, but for those who want a customizable ride, it delivers unmatched flexibility. The cliffhanger here is simple. With so many options, how will you decide which power level and setup are perfect for your bike? Choosing the right eBike conversion kit is more than just looking at price or motor power. You must consider motor type, battery capacity, frame compatibility, riding style, controls, installation complexity, and local legal limits. Each kit we discussed today has its strengths, and your choice will define how enjoyable, efficient, and exciting your rides can be. That's it for this deep dive on eBike conversion kits here at All Things Electronics. Remember, the right kit can turn a normal bike into a powerful, effortless ride, opening doors to adventures you never imagined. Stay curious, ride smart, and keep exploring, because the right e-bike setup can make every journey electrifying.